Hey everybody, Elliott Cribbs with MarineMax down in Savannah, Georgia. This is a 2011 NauticStar 22XS that just took in on consignment. 225 Yamaha, around 700 hours. Comes with a 8-foot PowerPole, live well in the bag. Leading post with rocket launchers, Engel cooler. Move up to the helm, comes with a 9-inch Simrad along with a 9-inch Garmin switch panel right here, VHF, and your head unit and your trim tabs. Move up to the front, plenty of storage. Seated in front of the console, Minn Kota Ulterra. This is the auto deploy edition, trolling motor. This boat just got a detail, so it's in great shape. If you like it, give me a call at 912-525-0963. Thank you.